Hey guys, we're here at ESGS. I'm with Colin, Mabi, and Ison. So guys, we're going to ask the expert of ESGS, siya yun. Kasi he always goes here. So we'll ask him what happens in this event, what we can expect, and what we should look out for. So that's it.
Yes. For the first time, it's a 4-day event. So you have the business day and then 3 public days. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Today is I guess the first weekend, the first day weekend ni ESGS, and this is sobrang daming tao. A lot of first booths are happening here as well. You have Nintendo Switch. It's the debut of Nintendo Switch.
It's the first time ever in the Philippines.
It's the first time that Nintendo has a booth here at ESGS. And then there's a lot of publishers also that are trying to get into the Philippine market, trying to see what ESG is all about. We have MU Origins 2 is here. And then of course you have your typical tech booths here at the side. You have Asus with a really large booth. I think Lenovo Legion and Acer Predator as well. And of course, PLDT Smart has a big setup here.
Oh, PLDT Smart daw.
With a focus on eSports. I think that's the main theme right now. You have Dota, you have Mobile Legends, and a whole lot of stuff. You can also check out the indie games if you want. Sobrang daming nangyayari din doon. Cosplay, merch, everything geeky.
Heavily, grabe. Bigay chance para kay Sir Carlo Ople. Oo naman. One of the idol.
So behind me, we're going to have a showdown between
the best. Let's see.
So behind me, we're going to have a showdown between the Mobile Legends national team. They're called SIBOL, and they'll be facing off against Gilas. Well, it's actually the national team split into two with Gilas players split behind. So you have Kiefer on one side and another PB player on the other side. Now I'm doing this quick video because I saw a bunch of the nice sneakers that they were wearing. Some of the players were actually wearing YEEZYs, from Zebras to I think like Hyperspaces. I'm not pretty sure which one. Kiefer was wearing a Sakai, and one guy was wearing a Who Holly Pharrell Williams sneaker. So again, it's just nice to see some of them wearing hype kicks on stage. Gamer culture, sneaker culture, boom. Walking around ESGS with Christian and Colin. The mission now is to find something to buy.
Yes.
Because my wallet is itching, I need to burn cash on something. Unfortunately, they're only small items.
Yes.
So Colin will help me find the most hype gaming item we can find here in ESGS. Budget, not an issue. So guys, we're here at the Kojima Production booth, and they have a bunch of really cool stuff. Apparently this is the necklace that Norman's character will be using in the actual game. So this one is selling for 13,500 pesos. So the picture of what it looks like is this one. So this is the necklace he's wearing, and you can actually use it like that. Apparently people going here are thinking that this is supposed to be like some sort of USB stick, but that's not. Okay, so this one, 13,500. Now, one of the items that I have my eye on is this like giant Nendroid of Ludens. So it's like I think it's like the character of Kojima Productions, and it just looks really nice. So it's a massive Nendroid in white, but supposedly this 1/6 scale black Ludens is exclusive to the Philippines. I'm having Colin double check, because if it is, we will most likely buy this one. So it sells for 20,500 pesos, and man, it looks really kick-ass. So if this is exclusive to the Philippines, I am definitely bringing this one home. They also have like a bunch of really cool hoodies. This one has Death Standing over there, so yeah. And then they have like another hoodie over here, says Fragile. A bunch of shirts. So it's really cool merchandise for gaming that you can get here at the Kojima Productions booth over at ESG. So the shirts look really nice, guys. I mean, take a look at that. The white one looks kick-ass. You have the black one as well. Death Stranding, wow. Fragile, cool. They also have like iPhone cases, but they're old models of the iPhone, so they're not necessarily like the newest. The latest one is for the iPhone 7. This is the Kojima Productions Nendroid, so it is a larger version of the Good Smile Nendroid that we've seen in the past. So just to give like an idea how big it is, that's a human. Because it's really this small usually, so it's this big. So this one is 7,500 pesos. Definitely pricey, but if you're a fan of Kojima Productions, if you're a fan of Death Stranding, then it's a definite must-have for any collector. So again, the Ludens Nendroid Jumbo for 7,500 here at the Kojima Productions booth. They're actually bringing out the 1/6 scale black model, the one that sells for over 20,000 pesos. Excited to see that one as well, and we will compare it. Mabi, ano mas sa tingin mo mas maganda? Ay, ang ganda. Patay na. Tapos na.
Gusto ko to sa picture eh.
Tapos na. Packaging pa lang, tapos na.
Nakita mo yung actual.
Oh, wow. Guys, this is the 1/6 scale Ludens in black. I mean, take a look at that. It's exclusive to Kojima Productions. It's exclusive to Kojima Productions. So you can't buy it unless from their website or here siguro in their store.
May pa-spot laminate yung
Oo nga, oh. Man, it looks really nice. Packaging wise, this is a massive win. Tan 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 tan. So it comes with a flag in white, and then you have the fist. So it reminds you of those Hot Toys figures.
Yes.
Diba, the 1/6 scale. Oh wow, oh god. Guys, take a look at that. Wag na natin tanggalin kasi baka may ibang bumili. Pero wow. Look at the detail, the armor, the gold clasps looks really nice.
Dito nakikita na hindi lang kompetisyon, kundi ano din, pagkakaisa ng lahat na nandito ngayon. At maraming salamat siyempre sa Tier 1 family. Shoutout sa inyo. Ano? Very happy.
Guys, one nice find here at the SGS is this booth. They have a game, a locally made game here in the Philippines, which is called Bayani. So you can actually play like characters inspired from Philippine history. It's a fighting game, kind of like Street Fighter. I think they're already on beta at Steam, so if you want to get it, go try it out. Support Filipino game developers, game designers. So one of the biggest booths here at ESGS is the one by Nintendo. So apparently this is the first time that they ever did something here in the Philippines, specifically for ESGS. And there's a bunch of games that they can try, and of course, ang expert ang mag-explain.
Grabe.
So Colin, anong games ang pwedeng i-testing dito?
Okay, you have Mario Kart. I think Mario Kart 8 if I'm not mistaken. You have Super Mario Party, Pokemon, Let's Go Eevee, and Let's Go Pikachu. You have Legend of Zelda, and then Mario Odyssey. So these are already existing, titles. Nothing new, but at least you have something, we have a presence now from Nintendo.
We're here with Mabi of PLDT and Smart. So Mabi, what can the people expect from the PLDT Smart booth?
Hello everyone, so we have so many freebies for everyone. We're giving away fan tech gear. So we have keyboard, gaming gear, gaming chair, gaming tables. As long as you post anything from our booth, and then as long as you tag us and post it in public, if we see it, you have a chance to win all of those gaming gears. So you can also have a chance to play Mobile Legends and Dota 2 in our booth also, so check it out. We have cosplayers also. Tomorrow, Alodia Go Sing Piao will be there. Get a chance to meet and greet her. See you around.
Hey guys, we're back here at the studio, and to wrap the vlog up, I just want to do two things. First up, I will be unboxing the Nenodroid Ludens for you so we can take a closer look. And then apart from that, we actually have a surprise giveaway. I bought a Kojima Production limited edition shirt. I think it's size large, and they sold it for 1,600 pesos, around $30. And I will be giving it away to one of you watching today. This will be a very short giveaway. This will just run for the next 48 hours, 2 days. Mechanics, I'll get to it in a bit. So let's get to the unboxing. So you guys can see here, it comes in this nice box, and we'll just tear the plastic open so we can get straight into the figure. By the way, while I am unboxing this, the Shattered Backboard 3 actually dropped earlier today while I was at ESGS, and I'm thinking of getting it because the resale value just plummeted. You can actually get a size 12 of the Shattered Backboard 3.0 for just, I think, 10 to 11,000. Cop Garden actually has one, and I have half of mine to be able to pick one up. So what do you guys think of the Shattered Backboards 3.0? Let me know in the comment section. Do you think I should cop, or is it a drop? I would love to hear from you guys. So with that said, we get to the actual figure over here. So again, this is not related actually to the game Death Stranding. This is the official mascot of Kojima Productions. So this is Ludens. This is Ludens. So if you take a look at the back, it says there's 01. You have a skull for the face, some sort of like astronaut with armor. different details all over the figure. It actually also comes with a stand, so we will just put it there, and I'll probably put it at the back together with the Mad Titans that I have over there, and we'll probably add this one as well to our collection. So again, this is the limited edition giant Nanodroid Ludens figure from Kojima Productions. And to end the vlog, as promised, we are giving away this limited edition Kojima shirt. So let's pop the paper open so you guys get a better idea of what the shirt looks like. So again, this is limited edition, guys. It is hard to find, and if you are a fan of Kojima as well as the games that he makes, this is definitely the shirt that you should be going after. So what are the mechanics? Very simple. All you have to do, you probably know it already, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then I need you to like this video and then share it on Facebook. And then after that, all you have to do is to leave a comment down below or about anything. Well, preferably about the video. So whatever it is that you want to say about ESGS or Kojima or his games in the past, just leave a comment and include your IG handle. I will be drawing the winners in the next 48 hours. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our short vlog for the day. I had a blast going to ESGS, and to those who were there, to everybody who approached, asked for selfies, chatted with me, maraming salamat sa inyo. I hope you guys had fun as much as I did. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.